Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a 2006 Toyota Avalon. Start by letting the engine cool for 15 to 30 minutes to avoid burns. Place a drain pan under the oil pan and loosen the drain plug with the correct socket. Remove the oil filler cap to help flow. Prepare a new oil filter and fresh oil that matches the manufacturer's viscosity recommendation. With the car cooled and supported, loosen the drain plug and allow oil to drain completely into the pan. While oil drains, remove the oil filter and allow trapped oil to escape into the pan. Inspect the old filter for metal particles or unusual debris. Clean the drain plug area and replace the drain plug gasket if needed before reinstalling the plug to the specified torque. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps. Quick recommendation. For neat cleanup, I use leak-proof containers to store used parts, catch small drips, and pack lunches between jobs. They seal tightly and save mess when handling oil-soaked rags or spare bolts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that helps you out now, let's get back to the video. Apply a light coat of fresh oil to the new filter gasket and hand tighten the filter until snug. Reinstall the drain plug to the proper torque, then pour the recommended amount of oil into the engine through the filler cap. Start the engine for a minute and check under the car for leaks. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, and confirm the oil level with the dipstick, topping if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.